This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, backups, credentials, and enough disk space. Once done, catalog each app by name, package ID, and version so you know exactly what to retrieve. Next, check whether you have original signing certificates or developer keys. Without them, you cannot reinstall sign builds. If you lack certificates, prepare to rebuild from source or use trusted alternatives. Make sure to export any app data from the backup now, because later steps assume extracted files and metadata are ready. Once extraction is complete, inspect package contents and dependencies. You will rebuild or re-sign binaries where certificates are missing. This requires resolving native libraries, matching minimum SDKs, and fixing deprecated APIs. Use an emulator or isolated VM to install the recovered build and run core flows, login, data sync, and critical features. While testing, log errors and compare to original behaviors. If crashes occur, iterate on dependency versions and permissions until the app runs consistently. You finalize by deploying the recovered app to a staging group and monitoring telemetry, crash reports, and user feedback. Make sure to compare behavior against the validated emulator run. If discrepancies show up, revert to your backup image and isolate the change. Once stable, release gradually and rotate credentials or certificates as needed. If something goes wrong, the most common root causes are certificate mismatches, missing entitlements, or third-party API changes. Focus your debugging there and rerun the validation cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.